Today we're talking about Voyager 2, humanity's farthest-flung spacecraft, a tiny messenger launched from Earth more than 4 decades ago, carrying our hopes, dreams, and a golden record of our existence. Now it drifts in the endless darkness beyond our solar system, further from home than any other human-made object has ever traveled. For decades it's been our silent scout in the cosmic wilderness, quietly gathering data and sending it back across unimaginable distances. But on June 20th, 2025, something extraordinary happened. Voyager 2 sent a message, an unexpected hidden transmission that no one saw coming. This wasn't just a technical glitch, it was a puzzle from the depths of space, a cosmic question mark that united scientists and the public in wonder, excitement, and even a touch of fear. Voyager 2 is so distant that its signals take over 22 hours to reach us, traveling from the vast, empty expanse between the stars, a journey that spans billions of kilometers. For this lonely probe to suddenly change its tune after nearly half a century is monumental, a moment that made the world pause and listen. The news spread like wildfire, dominating headlines and sparking curiosity about deep space, the unknown, and what secrets might be waiting for us out there. The transmission didn't answer the question, "Are we alone?" but it made us ask it together as a global community united by wonder. In this video we'll explore why Voyager 2 was launched, its epic journey through the planets and into interstellar space, the nature of this mysterious signal that has everyone talking and how the world reacted, from scientists in labs to everyday people glued to their screens. We'll reflect on what this event teaches us about our place in the cosmos, and how even a distant probe can remind us of our shared curiosity and longing to connect. The enduring power of human curiosity drives us to explore, to question, and to dream. So, buckle up. We're about to take a trip to the very edge of our understanding where science meets mystery. Let's begin. To truly understand this extraordinary event, we need to journey back in time to the year 1977, when NASA embarked on one of its most ambitious missions ever, launching not one but 2 spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, into the vast unknown. Their mission was nothing short of historic, to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment, allowing them to perform a grand tour of the outer planets. By using gravity assists, they could slingshot from one world to the next, gathering data and images never before seen by human eyes. Voyager 2 was the first to launch on August 20th, 1977. It took a slower, more winding path designed to visit more planets and maximize scientific discovery. These probes were technological marvels of their era. Despite having memory millions of times smaller than a modern smartphone, they were engineered to withstand the harshness of deep space, operating far beyond the reach of the sun's warmth or Earth's protection. But Voyager was more than just a scientific mission. Each probe carried a message for the cosmos, the golden record. This gold-plated disc was carefully crafted, containing sounds and images from Earth, greetings in dozens of languages, music from across cultures, and the natural sounds of our planet. Greetings from people all over the world. Music that spans centuries and continents, and the everyday sounds of life on Earth, thunder, laughter, the wind, and the heartbeat of humanity. It was, in essence, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean, a gesture of hope, curiosity, and the desire to connect with something beyond ourselves. Carl Sagan, who led the team that created the golden record, called it a symbol of both our loneliness and our hopefulness, a sign that humanity dares to think beyond its own world, reaching out to the stars. The golden record was never meant for an immediate reply. It was a message for the distant future, perhaps for another intelligence, billions of years from now, drifting through the endless night. For nearly 50 years, Voyager 2 has carried this silent message, traveling farther than any human-made object in history. Until now, against all odds, the bottle has sent something back, a faint signal, a whisper from the edge of interstellar space. And now, the world is listening, united in wonder as we await what Voyager has to tell us from the cosmic ocean. Voyager 2's journey is the grandest tour in human history, a mission that has redefined what's possible for humanity's reach into the cosmos. Launched in 1977, this robotic explorer was designed to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment, setting out on a path no other spacecraft had ever traveled. First stop, Jupiter, 1979. Voyager 2 gave us our first close-up look at the Great Red Spot, a massive storm larger than Earth itself. It discovered previously unknown moons, and even found a faint ring system encircling the giant planet, forever changing our understanding of Jupiter's complexity. Next, Saturn, 1981. Voyager 2 studied the planet's intricate rings in unprecedented detail, revealing their delicate structure and mysterious gaps. It also sent back breathtaking images of Saturn's moons, especially Titan, whose thick hazy atmosphere hinted at secrets yet to be uncovered. After Saturn, Voyager 1 left the solar system's plane, but Voyager 2 pressed on, becoming the only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune, two distant, icy worlds at the edge of our solar system. In 1986, it became the first and only spacecraft to visit Uranus, discovering its extreme tilted axis and a collection of strange, dark moons. Voyager 2 revealed that Uranus was far more mysterious than anyone had imagined. In 1989, it reached Neptune, uncovering the planet's great dark spot and recording the fastest winds in the solar system, over 1,000 miles per hour. Voyager 2 also revealed Triton's icy volcanoes, showing us a world of frozen wonders. With its planetary mission complete, Voyager 2 journeyed onward through the heliosheath, the turbulent, mysterious edge of our sun's influence, where solar wind meets the interstellar medium. In 2018, after more than 4 decades in space, it crossed into interstellar space, the second human-made object ever to do so, following its twin, Voyager 1. This marked a new era in exploration. From this distant frontier, Voyager 2 has sent back invaluable data about cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and the environment beyond our solar bubble. Information from a place no human has ever been, expanding our knowledge of the universe. Voyager 2 became our first true interstellar messenger, carrying the hopes, dreams, and scientific curiosity of all humanity into the unknown. And now, decades after its launch, it's sent us a new kind of message, one we never expected, reminding us that the journey of discovery is far from over. For years, Voyager 2's signals were routine, faint, steady data about the interstellar medium. But on June 19, 2025, something changed. The Deep Space Network in Canberra received a data packet with an anomaly, a segment that didn't match any known protocol. At first it seemed like a glitch, maybe a cosmic ray hit the probe's electronics. But the anomaly persisted, appearing in every subsequent transmission. It was a repeating, structured pattern. Too organized to be random, too persistent to be a simple error. Excitement grew as engineers and scientists pored over the data, searching for answers. Diagnostics showed Voyager 2 was healthy, its instruments were normal. Yet this hidden transmission remained, a second voice, speaking a language no one could immediately understand. The team kept the finding quiet, running every test they could, but soon, the world would know. A 48-year-old probe had just sent home the biggest mystery of the century. The cosmic whisper had arrived, and nothing would be the same. The real shock wasn't just the anomaly, but its complexity. Voyager 2's systems are simple: fixed programming, basic binary data, no capacity for new layered messages. Yet, the hidden signal was mathematically complex, with patterns and repetitions that suggested it carried information. It was embedded within the normal data stream, almost camouflaged. Theories flew: a cosmic ray-induced glitch, a corrupted memory loop, or something stranger. None fit. The probe shouldn't be able to create this kind of message. The most unsettling idea: maybe the signal wasn't from Voyager 2 at all. Could it be relaying or altered by something out there? The mystery deepened, and the world's attention turned to the stars. NASA couldn't keep the signal secret for long. The announcement was cautious, but the effect was electric. Voyager 2 was sending a structured, unknown signal from interstellar space. The world paused. News channels, social media, and conversations everywhere focused on the probe and its message. The reaction was awe, not panic, a rare moment of global unity and curiosity. Governments and space agencies rallied, pointing radio telescopes skyward, joining the search for answers. The United Nations held a special session. International collaboration surged. For a moment, humanity was united by a single mystery. The little probe, launched by one nation, now belonged to everyone. The planet held its breath, waiting for what might come next. What does this teach us? First, humility. The cosmos still holds surprises that defy our explanations. Second, the nature of communication. We sent Voyager 2 out with a message, and now we've received one we can't decipher. If there's other intelligence, it may not think or communicate like us. The signal is a cosmic riddle, challenging us to think beyond our human perspective. This event highlights the value of long-term exploration. Voyager's patient journey led to this profound discovery. Sometimes the most important findings are the unexpected ones. The world's reaction, wonder, not fear, shows our shared capacity for awe. A mystery in the stars can unite us like nothing else. The signal's true impact is here on Earth, rekindling our collective imagination. The universe spoke, and we listened, together. The Voyager 2 signal is a metaphor for science itself, a journey of discovery, not a collection of fixed answers. It forces us to question assumptions and embrace the unknown. The Voyager program's legacy is endurance, ingenuity, and the courage to reach for the stars. These probes are messages in themselves, testaments to human ambition. The story teaches patience. Space exploration unfolds over decades, not days. This mystery won't be solved overnight, but that's part of its value. The signal invites us to see our problems in perspective, to look up and consider the bigger picture. It connects us to the vastness of time and space, and to each other. We are all crew on this pale blue dot, traveling together through a wondrous, mysterious universe. The edge of forever is closer than we think. Where do we go from here? The Voyager 2 mystery remains unsolved, but the search for answers is what matters. This event has sparked a global conversation about science, exploration, and our place in the cosmos. It's inspired a new generation to look up and wonder. We explore not just for practical reasons, but because curiosity is in our nature. Voyager 2's legacy is both its scientific discoveries and this new profound mystery. The end of one journey is the beginning of another. Let this moment inspire us to stay curious, ask big questions, and never lose our sense of wonder. The universe is vast, and we've only just begun to explore. There are more mysteries to solve, more worlds to discover. The journey continues. Let's keep reaching for the cosmos.